What's up, guys? Please like and subscribe. And today we will be using this to make slime. Well, I don't really know what it is. Do you want to take it out?
Slime.
Well, yeah, obviously. It looks like an egg carton. Here's the egg carton.
There's a whole bunch. I looked in here the other day, and there's like layers of it.
Holy crap.
There's a whole bunch of stuff. Where's that box? It's a really good box.
Ow. And I guess you make your own slime with this one.
I'm roughing that one first.
Slime powder. I'm gonna put it back in.
We're gonna do that one last.
Yeah. First, we're gonna test out the fluffy slime.
Whoa.
It's sticky.
Ew, it's so sticky. I don't really like sticky slime. It
Okay,
also
it's
stuck
just
to
the
my
top.
fingers.
It's just the top.
I'm trying to get it off. Oh my goodness, it's stuck to me.
Oh my.
Oh, it's stuck to me worse now. I can't get it off. It don't come off. Get off.
Okay, we're gonna put that one back before it sticks to everything.
I'm trying to get it off.
What do you rate this one? I rate it 5 out of 10 because it's really sticky.
If you get playing with it more, it's not as sticky.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, and then if you go slower, it gets stuck more. Oh.
Yeah. What do you rate this one?
Maybe like a 6 or something?
No, let's do all the slimes first.
So we're doing the slime first. And then we'll
Liquid
do the
slime next. I want to open
Oh,
this.
I have some of this stuff.
There's the opening thing. They seriously didn't put an opening tab. It just like flew out at you.
It didn't really...
I don't really
Oh.
like this kind of slime. It feels really weird.
I don't know.
It feels like all weird. Oh,
It's like all liquidy.
it's like
Look, it's
blood.
like trying to jump out, but it can't.
Oh
I
my.
hate this kind.
I hate this. So I'm gonna rate this one a 0.
Ew.
It's just like it's really weird feeling.
Ew, now my hands are all slimy.
Yeah, that's why I don't play with that.
I
Okay,
rate like
so-
a 5 out of 10.
I rated it at 0 because I don't like that kind of slime. Now, snotty slime. It's your turn to open it in front
Oh
of the
my
camera.
goodness. Snotty slime. I can't get it open. My hands are too slippery.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my goodness.
So stretchy. Okay, it's like the
Ew.
fluffy slime, but it's not as sticky. And it doesn't stretch as far.
Ooh.
I mean, yeah, it's stretchy.
I
never
like
mind.
this one.
Oh, yeah. It smells good. It smells like blueberries.
I can smell it from here. I love this kind. Snotty slime. Where's the word for it? Snotty slime. It's like not sticky and it's so fluffy.
Okay, so here are the next 4. We're gonna mix them up, and then whichever one I pull off is the first one. Glow in the dark.
And we have a flashlight for it too. And it's in a
my turn
bag.
to open it.
Weird looking case.
Putty is super hard sometimes. Don't like.
Oh my goodness.
I like putty a lot.
So
more
let's
than-
turn the light off. And
Yeah, go turn the light off. It's not
Okay.
charged yet, I don't think.
wait, don't charge it yet. Okay, so apparently you just put that on over it. Okay, now take it off.
Whoa.
And it says that you can like draw like smiley faces in it. Let's leave it sit some now and then like draw smiley faces in it. Oh, you can do me.
Oh, let's do this side. So, we're gonna draw a smiley face. You ready?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
See the two eyes and the smile?
I rate this one a 9.5 out of 10 because it's really nice. Do
9.
you want to play with it?
I love this feeling.
Okay, now we
It's
can
so
turn it.
hard. I love this feeling.
But
Okay.
yeah, turn back on the light. We'll be back, guys.
Oh my goodness, it almost got stuck to me. What's
yeah,
the
we're
next
back.
one?
But
They're all
color changing putties. This one I like. I wanted to.
color changing.
You get it out.
Ew, it's like a green.
You have to use the top. Yeah.
Ew.
I said I think this one was gonna be
Ew.
my favorite.
Ew, it's like a wet.
Now you gotta play with it for a while.
Oh wait, doesn't it like warm up when it, doesn't it change when it warms up?
Let's warm it up.
Here, use the warmer.
No, don't use that. We gotta use it with our hand.
I guess that would work too.
Here, you take half of it.
Color changing putty. That's this one. Apparently, who flavors it? So here's the color now.
Okay, so I played with mine for a while. It changed to like lighter green.
It looks a little lighter now.
I've been playing with mine for a while. My hand's warm.
Mine hand's warm too.
And it's changed a lot. This definitely is not my favorite like I thought it would be.
No.
So I rate it a 7 out of 10.
I guess we're going to, what was that?
Bouncing putty. This, I think this is like the stuff that you get out of the vending machines at Dollar Tree. No, it's my turn to open it. You
Oh, yeah.
open the other one.
Do you even have a stirring thing? We're gonna make a separate video after making this one. We're just opening them. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be hard to get out.
It gets all stuck. This is like the slime that you get at the Dollar Tree vending machine. Except it's a lot better because it's a lot better quality.
What does it feel like?
Feels really-
Ooh, I like this.
It's like butter slime.
It smells
Smells
weird.
good. Mine smells like oranges.
I like this.
It's supposed to be bouncy, so
Don't drop it on the floor. I did not even bounce that hard. It's a little bit bouncy, yeah.
but I would not bounce it because I do not know places.
It feels really good.
It's really soft. It smells really good too.
I love that smell.
I definitely rate this one a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It feels really good. And it smells really good.
Okay, so moving on.
Next, magnetic putty.
Oh my goodness.
But anyways,
Magnetic putty.
open it.
I feel like it's gonna be all stuck.
It's not. I had this before. It wasn't stuck to me. I bought mine at
Can't even
Go,
get it out.
whatever it's called.
Whoa, look at that.
Does it feel nice? Give me half of it. Okay, so to see if it's actually magnetic, it came with this magnet. It is magnetic.
Little
Whoa,
pieces of
look.
metal shaved inside of it. If you warm it up some, it'd probably stretch out to the magnet more. It has like a bunch of little sparkles in it. Can't really tell.
That's the metal shape.
I know. It might be a little bit stretchy. Can't really tell if it's stretching out or not.
it is actually magnetic because look.
Mm-hmm.
See.
It's holding on to the magnet. That magnet's probably not very strong either.
No.
We should do a time lapse. We might do a time lapse at the end of this video of like just putting. That's pretty strong. Just putting the putty down somewhere and then putting the magnet on it and watching it, the putty cover up the magnet.
I did not mean to do that.
It smells weird.
It smells like the orange one, but just mixed with the blue one.
Yeah.
I rate this one a 7 because the texture. But
Okay.
we are rating our favorite slimes. Oh crap! Our favorite slime.
This one?
No,
was
our favorite slime. This one was my favorite too.
The putty.
And let me touch the fluffy slime again to see if it's any better.
It's
now.
weird. Probably a little bit better now that we played with it.
Okay, it's still really sticky. So my favorite is the snotty slime. It isn't actually snotty though,
I like the snotty slime too.
because it wasn't sticky. It's like
So,
it's like the
The
liquid.
bouncing putty and the snotty slime. Oh no! I dropped it.
What?
Hey, didn't get any dirt in there. That's good.
Okay, so I have to go right now, but we have a surprise for you in the next video.
It's a TikTok trick.
Ow!
It's fine to say it because it's just today. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna set up and for the time lapse and hope you enjoy. Bye guys.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. We also will be posting a video soon. Maybe in like a few minutes or so. So,
Probably longer than that.
yeah.
Bye everybody.
Bye.